phone covers which we are going to use. Namaste beautiful people, this is Saloni here, and today's video is going to be about how to recreate your old phone cover in a very new look. So I actually want to share with you all, these are the two phone covers which we are going to use, and I want to tell you something that happened to me once. So I was so damn excited to do this new DIY hack, and I started doing it. So I literally forgot to press the video button. I was in the process, I was so much in the making process that I was just doing it continuously, and I totally forgot that, oh my god, I just forgot to press that video button. And after the whole process, I saw that the video has not been recorded, and I was like, oh my god. But I was really satisfied with how my phone cover turned out to be. Then I was just talking to my mom, and then my mom gave me an idea. So I took my sister's iPhone 6s old phone cover, and then again I recreated the whole process just for you all, because I wanted to share this process with you all. And we are going to do two different pairs. So this is with the help of a raisin. So if you don't have raisin, it's totally fine. We can also do it with the help of a transparent nail pen. So yeah, now let's get started.
So here's the second trial which I'm going to do it for you all. So I've taken room temperature water over here. I'm going to put black nail pen and a silver nail pen. So I'm going to give a silver touch, glittery silver touch to my whole nail art. So I've taken toothpick over here, and I'm just going to make design. And you have to take room temperature water. Don't take cool or warm water, it is not going to work. So now we are going to put our phone cover inside this, dip it inside the bowl, and then slowly you have to remove it and just see the texture. Oh my god, this is going to look amazing, trust me. Your friends are not even going to think that this is a homemade cover. Everyone's going to love it. With the help of your finger, you can just put the silver nail paint where you want to, and now we are going to keep it for 1 to 2 hours. And after that, so this is a golden foil which I'm going to use. So this is going to look amazing. You can use golden foil, or we also have a different option. So the next cover I'll show it to you how you can do it without a golden foil. Press that subscribe button if you're enjoying this video. Alright, so this is the first experiment which I did. I told you all that I forgot to press the video button. So this is that cover of my iPhone 11, and I'm just going to place the golden foil wherever I want to, and you can place it the way you want it. And now we are going to take raisin. So raisin is actually going to give a very classy touch to your phone cover, but if you don't have raisin, it's totally fine. I have the second option for you at the same time. So now I'm applying the raisin to my whole phone cover. It will look amazing, trust me. I have the different alternative for raisin that might be available, and it is also very cheap. So wait until the end of this video. I'm going to tell you what's the second option. With the help of the brush, I'm just applying the raisin to my phone cover, and once you're done with it, you have to keep it for at least 24 to 48 hours. I'm going to keep it in this plate, and then you just have to close it with the help of a plate or anything. And now here's the second option. So now, yes, you can use your foil papers. So at home you might be having, you have to go to the kitchen and you have to ask your mom, do you have a foil paper? And I'm sure she might be having this. So you have to use the foil paper. This is a silver touch, so I'm going to use foil paper, and instead of raisin, now we are going to use transparent nail pen. So transparent nail pen also gives almost the same touch, and it is actually going to look amazing. So I'm going to apply the transparent nail pen, and I'm just going to pour the transparent nail pen, and then we'll spread it with the help of the brush. So this is like a very quick and cheap DIY, and you can convert your old phone cover into very stylish and new look. And I know whenever we create something, we proudly love to tell our people that look, I've made this. I mean, that's how you feel, right? Comment below and let me know if you feel the same. So this is the cover, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And yes, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to press that subscribe button, because this year I'm dedicated to create daily videos to keep you all inspired, and we are here to learn and grow together. So our second option is almost ready. Once you apply the transparent nail paint, you have to keep it for 20 minutes or 30 minutes and it's done.
If you've enjoyed watching this video and it has been of any use, please hit the like button and do let us know where you're tuned in from, because it's always great to know. And if you're interested and you want to learn how to create cheap and easy jewelry DIYs at home, there'll be a link popping up on your screen right now. Click on that link and see how to create easy DIYs at home. So this is the one choker which I've recently created for Diwali outfit, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy watching that video. And if you are new to this channel and haven't already, remember to press that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified for my further videos, because this year I am dedicated to make daily videos to make 2021 your best year ever. For now, take care, bye bye, and see you in the next video.